How to install Google Tag Manager on Shopify website. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how you can install Google Tag Manager in your Shopify store. So for that, the first requirement is to have a Google Tag Manager container. From there, you can access your Shopify store. So once your theme file are ready, you need to find the appropriate location to install the code with the Google Tag Manager interface. So first of all you have to do is just click on the button for your Google Tag Manager account. You will find two snippets of code, snippet 1 and snippet 2, that you can install on your Google Tag Manager pages. Additionally, you can also find both of these snippets by navigating from admin install Google Tag Manager. It will look somewhat like this. And after clicking on admin, you will find both the aforementioned snippet for codes, which you will then install in Google Tag Manager. Next, you will configure that snippet 1 in the section of HTML page and snippet 2 in the body section. And after that, just open the admin section of the Shopify backend to install the snippets and navigate to the online store and then go to the themes and click on action, and after that just click on edit code. Navigate to the theme.liquid files within the base HTML code that appears on the screen after you click on edit code. Next, you will copy the snippet 1 and add it to the head of the pages. The snippet 1 will be placed directly below the meta section at the top of the code. Next, you will install the snippet 2 by placing the code in body of the HTML code. Scroll to the portion of the code where the body section begins. This code may be situated in slightly different location depending on the code of each website. To make it easier on yourself, search the code for the word body. Once you will find it, paste that second snippet exactly under the body text within the code. Once you are done, just click on save to keep the change you made to the codes. And after that, just go ahead and open the workspace in Google Tag Manager. From there, you just click on preview to check your installations. If your Google Tag Manager is comparatively new and you don't have tags already set up, you won't be able to access the preview option. However, you can create an initial version by clicking on the submit option. You can add an initial name to the version and then publish it. Now you will be able to access the preview mode. This will lead you to the Google Tag Assistant. Then you will be able to add your website address to the URL section and click on connect. Then just go ahead and install the Google Tag Manager on the thanks page. Open the backend of the Shopify website and navigate to the second and click on checkout. You should see a section titled additional scripts. It is located below the section about the status of order processings. The content within the additional scripts section will appear on the orders status page as a confirmation when the user places an order. This will be a section where you will configure our tags code for two snippets. You will be able to copy and paste snippet 1 and snippet 2 in their respective orders. Place the copied text into the box below the additional scripts text and just click on save once you are done. So this is basically how you will be able to install Google Tag Manager on your Shopify website. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.